Imagine watching your favorite English movies and understanding every word, every joke, every scene. This video gives you the actionable tips and tricks to master the language of movies and unlock a whole new world of entertainment and understanding. Why movies are your secret weapon for English? Watching movies can be fun and engaging, but it's also a powerful tool for learning English. Immerse yourself in the natural flow of language, picking up pronunciation, idioms, and slang that you won't find in textbooks. It's a great way to improve your listening comprehension and expand your vocabulary. Master the art of active viewing. Choose your right movies. Start with movies you enjoy, perhaps ones you have already seen in your native language. Engage with the subtitles. Use subtitles as a tool, not a crutch. Read ahead and try to predict the dialogue. Take notes and revisit scenes. Pause, rewind, and write down new words or phrases. Watch clips again to solidify your understanding. Harness the power of repetition and context. Repeat after the characters. Mimic the pronunciation and intonation. This builds your confidence and strengthens your speaking skills. Expand your listening skills by experiencing various accents and dialects. Uncover the cultural nuances. Pay attention to cultural references and idioms, as they enrich your understanding of the language. Beyond the screen, amplify your learning. Engage in online discussions, connect with other language learners, discuss movies, and ask questions. Practice with friends and family. Reenact scenes from your favorite films and practice your dialogues. Use language learning apps. Utilize apps that integrate movie vocabulary and content to reinforce your learning. From movie buff to fluent speaker. Set achievable goals. Start with short clips and gradually increase your viewing time. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge your achievements and stay motivated as you journey toward fluency. Finally, enjoy the process. Embrace the fun and rewarding experience of learning English through movies. That's it for today. Subscribe for more. Bye bye!